Termites are also called silent destroyers because they can cause massive damage to your home before you even know they are here. And yet, it takes a new termite colony about a year before they start to get truly destructive. So as a smart homeowner, you can spot termites early to avoid spending thousands of dollars on treatment and repair. In this video, we'll teach you all the telltale signs of a termite infestation. Let's get started. The first sign of a termite infestation is the presence of small piles of a sawdust-like material. This is a sign that termites are eating away at the wood in your home. Specifically, this is called frass, and it is essentially termite poop. You'll find it near walls or furniture that is infested. In addition to sawdust, you should also look for other small wood particles, such as wood chips and splinters. If you notice these particles, it could be another sign that you have a termite infestation. Look above these piles and search for tiny holes in the wood. These pinholes are a clear sign of an infestation, especially in combination with termite droppings below them. Another sign of termite infestation is the presence of mud tubes. These are small tunnels that termites build to move around in. These mud tubes, also called termite trails, are usually found on the exterior walls of homes and can easily be spotted if you look closely. You can also find these in basements, especially near wood, and in crawl spaces and attics. Only subterranean termites build these mud tubes. Since this species is the most destructive, mud tubes are a sign you must never ignore. Also, keep your eye out for termite swarms. From spring to fall, depending on your location, termites enter swarm season. During this time, winged termites leave the colony to swarm. They will search for a suitable place for a new colony, which could be your home. So if you see winged termites near your home, make sure to get a pest control professional to perform a thorough inspection soon. Let them know that you have winged termites near your home, and they will know what to do. Finally, if you see any damaged wood in your home, it could be a sign that termites have been eating away at it. Damaged wood may appear cracked, warped, or discolored. You may also notice small holes in the wood caused by the termites. If you knock on it, you may notice that the wood sounds a bit hollow. This is a confirmation that termites have hollowed out this piece of wood with their tunnels. It is important to inspect your home regularly for signs of termite infestation. Be sure to check areas of your home that are prone to moisture and make sure to look for these common signs of termite damage. The most important areas to inspect are the ones you don't often see. You would likely notice termite activity in your living room, but when was the last time you inspected your attic or basement? To make it easier, set a reminder in your calendar at least once or twice a year. Take at least a full hour to thoroughly inspect your home for any signs of termite damage. But if you want to be truly safe, get a professional termite inspection instead. A pest control expert is much more experienced at finding termites. And as you know, finding them early is the only way to avoid paying thousands of dollars for treatment and repairs. Now, there are only two things left to do. First, you need to set 2 yearly reminders on your phone to perform a thorough termite inspection. Schedule these in spring and fall. You can also get yearly inspections done by a pest control company. And second, like this video if it helped you. And make sure to subscribe if you want to be well informed and keep your home protected against tiny invaders such as termites.